Right, that gap there meant to be 6mm. That's with the B screw all the way in, and now I adjust it all the way out. See, the gap, the derailleur is moving this way, the gap isn't actually closing. Keep moving it. Right, that's with the screw all the way out, and the gap may have closed a little bit, but that is still a good centimetre gap. Well, actually, if you measure from that chain link, it's probably about right, but that is with this screw. Oh, you can't see on my phone, this screw is completely out to the point where it's almost going to fall out, so that is the closest gap we can get, which is still nearly a finger thickness.